everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. We got a box from Edmonton, Louis Vuitton. So let's see what my essay sent me. I think it's a catalog of some sort, but we shall see. All right, let's see here. How do we open this? All right. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here. We're thinking about going to Sheridan Lake, so we'll see what happens. I hope so. That would be nice. See what we got. All right, well, that wasn't too bad. They still got the groom on the Louis Vuitton box, so that's the box. All right, let's see what she sent me. All right, she sent me a sample, rose. Oh, this is Fleur or something. Okay. It's hard to see what it may be, but that's what they look like. All right, that's a perfume sample. She sent me a bag. Okay. All right. Nothing else in there. All right, let's see what's in here. All right. Ooh, okay. Kusama. Nothing else in there, so this is ripped on the side, so I'll just use it for, see, it's ripped, unfortunately. So I'll just use it for storage. But these are really super good, and they have this really cool thing out. It's like you use these, you cut these bags to make a purse. Have you guys seen anything like that? Let me know in the comments below. It's like, it looks like kind of like plexiglass, and then you cut out what you want, like in these gift bags, and you make a purse out of it. So I don't know, I was gonna check into it. Looked kind of cool. All right, so I'll just use this down here for my storage. All right, so she gave me a Kusama magazine. All right, that's pretty cool, because I got that scarf, that, the bandeau. Ooh, it's pretty cool. I love the yellow and the black. What do you guys? Yeah, this is really cool. I don't necessarily like the pumpkins, but there's also stickers with the pumpkins. Hey, that's pretty ooh, that's pretty nifty. Wow. What got into her? Oh, Spell on You. That smells really good. Look at that. That's pretty cool, actually. God, to have a body like that, right? Never happen. It's a good thought, though. This hat's kind of cool. This hat would go good with the denim collection. I have a denim sack bag. So if you're into hats and you like denim, the denim is really good for Vuitton. Huh, look at these. They're kind of cool too. This must be part of the men's line. Yeah. So if you supposedly, if you order anything from the Kusama, oh, look at poor Vivian. Gotta love her. Not my fave. But she looks kind of like a pirate. Poor Vivian. But I guess if you order anything from the Kusama line, then you're supposed to get this book. So it's just a kind of a heads up, I guess. See, I don't care for this style. This here. I don't really care for this style. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think that, and I don't like the face and the fish. No. I'm more classical, basically, but if you're into that, I mean, it is different, but if I was going to pick, I would rather pick the flowers and the butterflies, but I probably wouldn't have a bag like that, though. But I do like the black and the yellow combo. That is pretty cool. But the only disadvantage to that is I was thinking about like an Alma BB. However, it's in that vernis leather or patent leather. And I'm always afraid of that because I got a Felici in the purple patent leather. And you just touch it and it gets fingerprints all over it. And I was always like wiping it down, and yeah, it was just a big pain. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to enjoy looking at that. All right, and she gave me a catalog, number 15. And that's what that looks like. So that's pretty cool. Wow, she's being pretty nice now. It's got a lot of art in it. A lot of art. So yeah, it's going to be cool to look at that. And she did give me a Rose d'Vence. That's the one I think I'm going to buy next in the travel size. So she did give me a couple, so that was nice of her. This is the Fleur Eau Dessert, or Desert. That's the first one that I showed you guys. I'm sure I didn't say it right. But anyways, that is my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton perfume samples. Catalog number 15. And the Kusama book when you buy something from her collection. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, see, I think this is more like arts. I don't see any bags in it, but just something you can kind of check out. So if it's called The Book. All right. At the top there, it says The Book. All right. So thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because I'm doing a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. Like, share, comment, tell a friend. Leave an emoji. Leave me requests also. I have a couple of requests that I'm going to be doing probably next week. It's going to be on my luxury perfume collection. So definitely check that out. All right, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.